I am Dr. Silvan, Assistant Professor, PG and Research Department of Biochemistry, St. Joseph College of Arts and Science, Autonomous, Cuddalore. I am going to present the topic C-value paradox and COT value. Value paradox is defined as the total amount of DNA is present in genome in its expressed in base pair or quantity of DNA in an organism per cell in all cells is always constant for a given species. The list of organisms on this planet with teeming millions each have its own genome whose size varies from one species to the another, and no two species have the same amount of genome nor the same genomic value or character. Variation in genomic content within a phylum or order or genus is surprisingly range from 10 into the power of 5 base pairs to 10 into the power of 12 base pairs. Animal shows variations range more than 3300 fold, and in land plants among them differ by a factor of about 1000. Tortoise genome have been surprisingly vary more than 3 lakhs value. The amount of DNA found in haploid genome measured in million base pairs or in picogram. The C may mean constancy of the genome in the species. Next, what is the G value? The number of genes found in the haploid genome. Next, what is the I value? The amount of information embedded in the genome. The estimates effective number of genes which encompasses alternative splicing, post-translational modification, multi-domain proteins, and gene redundancy plus gene expression and gene. This slide shows the examples in C values of different organisms. It is clear from above values as complexity increases, the C value increases from simplex to complex forms. This figure shows the linear relationship between genome size and organism complexity. The complexity related to C value, there is not linear relationship between genome size and organism complexity. Example, housefly and Drosophila both are in same group. The major applications of the C value is due to presence of high repetitive DNA sequence which repeat in the genome many times. Next, we will discuss about the topic COT value. COT analysis has first developed and utilized in the mid-1960s by Ray Britton, Eric Davidson and Associates. It is based upon the principles of DNA renaturation kinetics. COT analysis is a technique that measures how much repetitive DNA is there in a DNA sample. It is used to study genome structure and organization. It is also used to simplify sequencing of genomes that contain repetitive sequences. The curve obtained in this analysis is called COT curve. DNA renaturation kinetics. The rate at which heat denatured DNA sequences in solution will renature is dependent on DNA concentration, reassociation temperature, cation concentration and viscosity. The COT value equal to DNA concentration into renaturation time in seconds into a buffer factors that accounts for the effect of cations on the speed of renaturation. The rate at which a particular sequence will reassociate is proportional to the number of times it is found in the genome. Given enough time, nearly all of the DNA in a heat denatured DNA sample will reassociate in CAR analysis. A genomic DNA is first cut randomly into fragments about 1 kb in length. Fragments are completely denatured by heating above the melting temperature. The fragments are allowed to renature. The renaturation at different time intervals can be monitored by two ways: by using spectrophotometer and hydroxyapatite chromatography. Cut curve, when the extent of renaturation of DNA is plotted against log cut. This is known as cut curve. What is the principle behind the cut curve is the rate of renaturation of a sequence of DNA molecule sequence is present in the DNA molecule. As greater the number of repetitive sequences, the more the chances of two complementary strands colliding with each other. Significance of cut curve are to estimate the genome size, estimation of proportion of single copy and repetitive sequences, the estimation of kinetic complexity of genome, and the interspecific comparison of CART data has provided considerable insight into the structure and evolution of eukaryotic genome. Thank you.